2005 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, FWD, fog lamps, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, power windows, tachometer, daytime running lights, speed proportional power steering, tilt steering wheel, power mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.